welcome back. We have 2 parts for your workout today. Starting off for part A, we have 5 rounds for load and for reps. We will perform 30 seconds of hang squat cleans, followed by a 30-second rest, and then 30 seconds of strict handstand push-ups, followed by 30 seconds rest. Reminder on the strict handstand push-up, if we need to modify that movement, we can add a riser to the ground to lessen the range of motion of our handstand push-up. We can also throw in the box handstand push-up either in a pike position or on our knees, or we can come down to the floor and perform a floor piked push-up. All of those will work for that movement. All right, and moving on for part B, we have a workout for time. We're going to complete this list as fast as we can. We have 50 dumbbell snatches, alternating arms each repetition, followed by 25 burpees, 50 single arm thrusters, followed by 25 burpees, and then finally another 50 dumbbell snatches, alternating arms each repetition. On the single arm thruster, you are welcome to break up those reps however you like. So you can alternate, you can do a set on each arm. It's up to you on that movement. All right, you guys, best of luck on these workouts. We're excited to hear how you do. Post your comments to our notes.
Hey you guys, welcome back. I'm going to be taking you through another warm-up today. To start off, we have 6 burpees. We're going to follow that up with some stretching. We're going to get into a pigeon pose, try to warm up those legs a little bit. Then we're going to hit another set of 6 burpees. We're going to follow that one up with a scorpion twist, so laying flat on the floor, releasing some tension in that lower back. And then we'll hit one more set of 6 burpees, and our last stretch will be a dip stretch. So getting those hands behind us, stretching out those shoulders. All right, moving on, we're going to go into a Tabata, 4 rounds, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds of rest. We're going to alternate between an Arnold Press, warm up those shoulders, and some hammer curls. All right, so preferably a pair of dumbbells for this one. All right, after our Tabata, we're going to do 3 rounds. We're starting with 8 push-ups on our first round. Second time through, we're going to do 8 push-up to down dog. And our third round, we have 8 pike push-ups to prep us for those strict handstand push-ups. All right, we're going to follow that up with 8 American kettlebell swings, 8 single arm front squat, and 8 single arm split jerk. All right, you guys, get after it.